What is up, Foxy Dudes and Dudettes? Today is a special day because UPS came and dropped off my new Thursday boots. We're going to unbox them. I'm going to do an unboxing. It's the first time I've ever done it, and stay tuned after the jump to see it. Welcome back to the Well-Rounded Dude. If you're new here, hi, welcome. As I said, this is the Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. We cover a whole bunch of topics on this channel, including men's lifestyle, men's grooming, men's fashion, and today we are going to unbox a pair of Thursday boots. I love Thursday boots. You guys have heard me talk about them before. I just got my latest pair. These are the Casa Motos. These are the limited edition that just came out recently, and I can't wait to open them up and check them out, guys. Alright guys, so I got the box, my trusty razor blade. We're going to start this beautiful, beautiful process. I love New Boot Day. It's one of the things I live for, and I am so glad that you guys are here to share it with me. Ah, yes. So we've got this beautiful, beautiful Thursday boots box. Inside of the other bigger shipping box. Yes. Okay. Okay guys, so the Casa Moto boot is a collaboration between Thursday and Rande Gerber. He's the guy that partnered with George Clooney to make that tequila brand that became popular. I love Thursday boots. What they have done is they've taken the middleman out of the boot buying experience, but they did not sacrifice quality, and that's what I love about them too, is that for the price point, most of the boots are around $200. You're getting like $500 boot quality for $200, which is unheard of. And they've done all that by cutting out the middleman, and they operate strictly online. Definitely check them out if you guys are looking for a new pair of boots. I really recommend you check out Thursday. You will love the style. This is my 4th pair. But enough about that. Let's open it up, right? Ooh, that leather smell. On the inside, yes, I gotta say, this is a little bit of a bigger box than what Thursday usually does. These are more of like a motorcycle boot. It's something different from what I have. I've gotten 2 pairs of Chelsea boots and a pair of Chuckers, so I wanted something a little bit different, something for the snow. Oh, yes. What I love is Thursday always wraps each boot in plastic, make sure that there's no scuffs or damage in shipping. The amount of detail they put into these, it's amazing. I love it. We'll just go with one boot for now. Yes. Oh. I'm in love, and I haven't even put them on yet. So it's got all the bells and whistles that Thursday is known for. Soft, supple leather. They say glove leather on the inside. I don't know technically what that is, but what I love too is they're Goodyear welted all the way around, which basically makes them waterproof. It's stitching that goes around here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is a Goodyear welt, and it goes all the way around the perimeter of the boot. Makes them waterproof. Plus, a couple years down the line, when your soles wear out, you can get these resoled. All of Thursday boots, you can resole them. You can get them resoled if needs be, which is awesome because your upper will last a very, very long time, but your sole, you know, doing stuff. This one is a I believe this is their new Army lug sole. Excuse me, not Army lug sole, but their new Army sole, which is a little bit different than what they have in the past, which is cool. I wanted something that I could wear in the snow, something with a little bit more traction. And they have a cork midsole, which means eventually they will form to your feet much better. One of the cool things about Thursday boots is once you put them on, there's no break-in period. Like, they're comfortable right out of the box. Like, as soon as I lace these up, I can like put these on and head out the door. I wouldn't mind wearing them for a full day. There's no break-in period. But the cork midsole, eventually it gets softer and forms to your feet more, making them even more comfortable than when you first get them, which sounds weird, but it's true. My chukkas, I have a pair of black suede chukkas from them. They all have the cork midsole. Fantastic. Like, that's the most comfortable pair of boots I've owned. It was my first pair of Thursdays. You can't get any better than the quality. I love the small toe box. As you can see, it's a nice shape. I love that this has a zipper down the side. And all the packing material that they throw in here, make sure it keeps its shape. One thing I would recommend you guys would invest in if you're going to start a boot collection like I have is to get shoe trees. Shoe trees to help your boot keep their shape, and the wood will absorb some moisture, so it'll keep them fresher. One of the great things about the cork midsole I was mentioning earlier is that it's antimicrobial. So, or microbial, yeah. I'm doing this off the cuff tonight, guys. It won't smell. It absorbs, and you'll have a anti-microbacteria time. There won't be any kind of bacteria. So, I really love it. I'm gonna get to the other boot now. I just noticed on the sole, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is House of Friends. I think that has to do with the tequila brand. I'm not 100% sure, but I just thought that's really cool and had to share with you guys. Next boot. Oh. That smell. It's a very fantastic smell. Oh, I love it. Same thing, guys, obviously. Same zipper. It's a little stuck. There we go. Cardboard. More paper to help keep it shape. I was just doing a little quick reading too. Apparently these shoelaces are made from recycled water bottles, which is amazing. So if you care about the environment and you feel bad about, wearing real leather, your shoelaces are made out of recycled water bottles. I am really stoked by these boots. I know that I'm gonna have them for a very, very long time, and that's awesome. It's always good to get something that you know you're gonna have for a while. So that'll do it. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this week's video, guys. Please be sure to check out Thursday boots. They're gonna be in the description down below. I think you guys will really be happy with the boots that you purchase if you decide to. I can't recommend them enough. And yeah, guys, thank you. Please be sure to check out the wellroundeddude.com. Use our code DUDE15 to save 15% on our merch page. Also, check us out on social media. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on those post notifications in this video. You guys don't want to miss all this bomb-ass content I make, right? Alright, guys, we will see you in the next one. Take care.